Hi and welcome to Level Up Cartooning. Today we're going to start a separate category or playlist that's a little more instructional in nature. Just tips and thoughts I've picked up in my 30-some odd years as a cartoonist and author and illustrator. I'm going to call it Level Up Cartooning Toolbox or something like that. Today I want to show you how many cartoon characters are constructed using a kind of formula. And if you know the formula, you can use it over and over again to create these characters and others easier and better than you ever thought possible. To keep it simple, we're going to focus just on the head. And we're going to draw Tweety Bird, Elmer Fudd, and Porky Pig using that exact same formula. And if you stick around to the end, I'll tell you two other characters who use this same formula to construct their heads. Anyways, all you're going to need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. Easy peasy, right? Before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Okay, so let's draw Tweety, Elmer, and Porky using the same formula. Much like all the drawings in Level Up Cartooning, we're going to draw our three characters' heads step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw them again and again. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to know where to put Tweety, Elmer, and Porky's eyes and other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. So let's draw the roadmap for Tweety Bird, Elmer Fudd, and Porky Pig. Okay, so there's our roadmap. As you can see, it's virtually the same thing for all three characters. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. Adding the individual features will begin to make Tweety look more like Tweety, Elmer like Elmer, and Porky like Porky. I want to remind you, we're still drawing as light as possible in this step. Okay, so let's rough out Tweety, Elmer, and Porky's features. So there are the roughed out features for our 3 characters. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw the final details of Tweety, Elmer, and Porky. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw on the details for Tweety, Elmer, and Porky. All right, so there they are. Tweety Bird, Elmer Fudd, and Porky Pig. So how do you think you did? Understand if you've never drawn any of these characters before, you can't expect to have drawn them perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring them during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Tweety Bird, Elmer Fudd, and Porky Pig. With that, you can draw them again and again, and by all means color them when you're done. I promise each time you draw them, they will get a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step and what I call the level up cartooning process. So as promised, I'm going to tell you 2 more characters who use the same formula to construct their heads. They are Cindy Lou Who from the holiday classic The Grinch Who Stole Christmas and Casper the Friendly Ghost. Actually, I'll give you one more. If you look at Handsome Squidward, it's the same formula. See if you can draw them using what you learned today. In the meantime, I'd love to see your drawings of Tweety, Elmer, and Porky. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to include the hashtag LevelUpCartooning. I hope you got something out of our first entry in the Level Up Cartooning toolbox. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.